Welcome to Vital Longevity. Ever wondered what would happen if you ate eggs every single day? Well, get ready to crack open the facts. Eggs have had their fair share of ups and downs in the nutrition world. But these little powerhouses are back in the spotlight, and for good reason. From breakfast to dinner, eggs might just be the everyday superhero your body needs. Let's dive in and see what eggs can really do for you. Let's start with what's packed inside that humble shell. Each large egg gives you only about 70 calories, 6 grams of muscle-loving protein, 5 grams of fat, and 0 carbs. Yep, 0. Plus, eggs are a treasure trove of essential nutrients like B12, vitamin D, and choline, which helps keep your brain sharp and ready to tackle the day. So next time you crack one open, give it a little nod for all that goodness you're about to enjoy. Let's tackle the heart of the matter, eggs and cholesterol. Each egg packs about 207 milligrams of cholesterol, which sounds scary at first. But don't worry. Studies show that dietary cholesterol doesn't necessarily raise your blood cholesterol levels. And don't forget, cholesterol is essential because it plays a critical role in building cell membranes, ensuring they are flexible and functional. It's also a key component in producing hormones like estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol, which are vital for various bodily functions. In fact, eggs come with heart-healthy nutrients like potassium, folate, and B vitamins. So, your heart's probably cheering you on every time you cook up that morning scramble. Ever feel like your brain's a bit scrambled? Well, eggs have the fix. Thanks to choline, a superstar nutrient, eggs help your brain function at its best. Choline helps build cell membranes and those important neurotransmitters that keep everything running smoothly upstairs. One egg gives you about 6% of your daily choline needs, so eating eggs daily might just be the brain boost you need. If you're enjoying these egg-citing benefits so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on healthy eating and nutrition. Now let's crack into the rest of the benefits. Let's talk about the types of eggs for a moment. Not all eggs are created equal. Conventional eggs come from hens raised in cages with limited movement, while cage-free hens get to roam indoors. Free-range hens take it up a notch with access to the outdoors, while pasture-raised hens have the most freedom, foraging outside for much of the day. Locally sourced, pasture-raised eggs are often fresher, with richer flavors and more vibrant yolks. And if you're concerned about pesticides or antibiotics, look for organic eggs, which come from hens fed a pesticide-free diet. Whichever you choose, knowing where your eggs come from can help you make a more informed, ethical choice. Moving on to more benefits, if you're looking for a natural beauty boost, eggs have you covered. Packed with B vitamins like B2, B5, and B12, these little wonders work behind the scenes to give you stronger, shinier hair and glowing skin. But here's the catch. B vitamins are water-soluble, meaning they don't stick around in your body. So, keep those eggs on your plate regularly to maintain that healthy glow. Let's talk bones. We all know calcium is crucial for bone health. But did you know eggs are an excellent source of vitamin D? Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium like a sponge, making sure your bones stay strong and healthy. Eating eggs every day gives your bones the vitamin D support they need to stay in top shape. Feeling sluggish? Don't underestimate the mighty egg. The combo of protein and healthy fats in eggs provides a lasting energy boost, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. So next time you're reaching for a snack, consider an egg instead. It's the ultimate energy booster that fits right in your pocket. Last but not least, let's talk about your eyes. Egg yolks are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from things like blue light and even age-related vision issues. Toss in some dark leafy greens with your eggs, and you've got a 1-2 punch of eye-saving goodness. So there you have it. 6 excellent reasons why adding eggs to your daily diet can benefit your health in more ways than you'd expect. From your heart to your brain, to your hair, bones, and even your vision. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients that your body will thank you for. Let me know in the comments if you're team yolk, team egg white, or somewhere in between. Found this video helpful? Make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves eggs, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more health tips and tricks. See you in the next video.